Hello there and welcome to this chapter 2 of my Painting the Buddha workshop. I'm so grateful that you've purchased this class with me, and I am confident that you will enjoy this class and will be able to apply everything that I show you. And for this class we are going to be painting Amitabha, the Buddha of infinite light. It is said that even just uttering the name of Amitabha calls in infinite light into the moment that you are facing. So my intention for this workshop, and while we create this beautiful Buddha for our meditation space, is that you will be able to connect with this infinite source of light, tranquility, compassion and wisdom in your life as well. So I just wanted to share with you guys some information before we get started. This blank canvas behind me is what I'm going to be creating my beautiful Buddha painting on, and showing you how to create your own Amitabha, Buddha of infinite light painting. So in the description of this video you will find the materials list, everything that you need in order to complete this class with me and to attain the same or similar results. So do check that out and make sure that you have everything that you need. I'm not too meticulous about having exactly the same materials. Whatever you have at hand, I'm sure if you are creative, then you will be able to create something similar, or be inspired to create something on your own using some of the processes and techniques that I will be demonstrating. So don't stress out if you don't have exactly the same materials as me. Do find something that is similar, or the closest that you can afford for your budget, and then we'll take it from there. Also, I wanted to just let you know that this showcase on Vimeo is a private showcase. You have to buy a ticket in order to be able to attend my class. The tickets is bought on my Quicket platform, and they will provide you with a token that you can use a number of times per episode to watch the entire class. My suggestion is that you first watch the entire class from beginning to end using your tokens. That helps my rating on my Quicket platform. It shows that you have utilized the entire course, and that helps us then to figure things out, because with this course or class is also a 30-day money back guarantee. So I encourage my new students to really look at the entire course, go through all the episodes, see the process from beginning to end. And if you then decide that this course is not for you, or you're not happy with this class, you can just let the Quicket platform through which I sell my class know, and you will get a full money back refund, no questions asked. But I'm sure that you will be happy. So then what I will also do is, once I see that you have bought the class, I get an email with your details. What I will then do is I will message you via an email. I will send you the password for this showcase on Vimeo, which then will give you a lifetime access to this class, and you can really just go through this class at your own pace. So whenever you have time, you can watch an episode and continue to work on your Buddha painting with no stress. Each of the lessons or episodes is completely downloadable, and how you will do that is, if you're on your phone, on the Vimeo app, you will see on the top right of each episode there is the 3 dots, also called a hamburger. If you press those 3 dots, you will see that the little menu or drop down menu opens, and then if you click on make this video available offline, what will happen is it will download to your device, and then you can watch the episode if you are in an area where you don't have Wi-Fi or data, then it is on your phone or your computer. However, I do ask you, please do not share the password or my videos with anyone that hasn't purchased the class, and respect my intellectual and creative property in creating this material, as this is designed to be an income for me as an artist. So I'm sure you can understand that. Do however share with your friends and family my profile on my Vimeo or Cricut platform. You can tell them about the workshop and what you experienced while doing it, encouraging others to also participate, and your support in helping me to spread the word is greatly appreciated. Then I would like to invite you, if you haven't already, to join me on my Facebook community group entitled The Creative Heart. In this private community, all of my students and followers support me and you on our creative journey. And that is the space where I encourage you to share photographs of your progress work, where I can support you, and also the beautiful community that we have there will support you and applaud you and cheer you on in your beautiful process. So that is where all the interaction happens. So do join us. There's also a link to that Facebook group in the description, so just click on that and it will take you straight to the group, and then just apply to join us and I will approve your application. So let me see what else is there that's important. Oh yes, please follow my profile here on Cricut and also on Vimeo, so that you will be notified every time I release a new class that might spark you and get you all excited and inspired to get creative at your canvas. This way you will also be notified if I launch any new classes for your perusal. And then lastly, I also wanted to let you know that I am available for one-on-one personal coaching. In this wonderful world of technology, the world really becomes a very close-knit community. So with the internet, with Zoom and all of the tools that we have on Facebook and so forth, all the social media, it really brings us a lot closer. So if you've done one of my classes or you are in my social media group and you would like to have personal one-on-one coaching or art classes from me, do private message me or email me at gideonslight@gmail.com, and I will set up an appointment for you, and we can just work over a Zoom session, so then I can paint along with you, or we can focus on specific coaching aspects that you might want help with, either creatively or in life coaching. So do message me, I'm available for that, and we can discuss the fees for those sessions when you message me. Let me just see here. Yes, I think that is everything. So I'm going to unwrap this canvas now and prepare to create a beautiful freedom layer or underpainting that will really serve to create a backdrop for our beautiful Amitabha Buddha painting. So I'm so excited to share with you. Let's get this plastic off our canvas and get ready to paint. So I'll see you at the canvas real soon. Bye bye for now.